front of me is VIVO X300 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by launching Google folder that's already on your VIVO and selecting Files app. When you're ready, click on those three lines at the top left corner and then click Clean at the top. Select Clean under Junk Files and hit Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!